Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on REALME C75. So you have to start by opening your settings application. Now you have to scroll down and click on Google. Then click on all services and now you have to find parental controls. Then click on let's do this and click sign in. Select Google. And now you have to enter your child email address. Then click next. And you enter your password. Then click I agree. And you can decide if you want to turn on backup or not. And then you can just click not now. Now click accept. And click on supervise. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. And click allow. Now click next again. And click done. And as you can see, my parental controls are now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.